Mama wakwaba midin ede adwoa searching mesrew na wa subscribe to my channel me notification bell no so for more news. Oman Peninda da John Dramani Mahama enema oye ne campaign tour concerning 2024 coming elections na Oman Peninda da John Dramani Mahama ensem de okay bi papa na all you concert fib na osre NPP for na de adea na eno na Vice President Dr. BAWUMIA so abe Oman Peninda da John Dramani Mahama reply na ne reply de amani nyina ne say ono no oni time he does not have time for any competition. Ena sa competition no so ye competition bia Oman Peninda da John Dramani Mahama on the dem pan wetimi ayabo man Ghana fiti e friend is saying assemblyman so to vice president to president that the pan obetumi de say senebo akase wa ye de ama Oman Ghana me ka senche yentie nsema vice president na akasa e de atudwa
Mahama one question and he has not yet answered it. So if I asked him just one question, I said, John Mahama, you have been assemblyman, you have been deputy minister, you have been minister, you have been vice president, you have been president over the last 30 years. So tell us one policy we can associate with you.
Over to you. Wankasa what wasun. Vice President Dr. BAWUMIA say on only timer on your man Peninda da John Dramani Mahama be argue because say you can't say or mention one policy or their babu or my Ghana the dada buy politics ma enya do benye biaka but at least NPP don't benye bebriaka. They can talk about free education, they can talk about health insurance, they can talk about free maternal care, they can talk about NAPCO, they can talk about one district, one factory, they can talk a lot. And the vice president at the reply, I'm on Peninda da John Dramani Mahama, or Chinese, and none of your dinner. None of your didn't say NPP 40, and some way, and a vice president, I can't add on Peninda da John Dramani Mahama.
Mahama one question, and he has not yet answered it. So if I asked him just one question, I said, John Mahama, you have been assemblyman, you have been deputy minister, you have been minister, you have been vice president, you have been president over the last 30 years. So tell us one policy we can associate with you after 30 years of political life. Just one, not two. Not two, one policy that you can say, hey, as for this one, John Mahama did it.
It is doomed so.
One.
It is doomed so.
He has not yet answered it. And he cannot answer it. So if he cannot answer one question, then I wouldn't bother with 700 questions. This time around, I'll just leave it at one. To tell us just one. I'm waiting for the answer. And in future, I'll keep asking him that question. Just one. Yes. So don't worry. By the grace of God, we are going to break the eight. We know who the opposition is, and we know the way forward. We'll fight with our record and our vision. And that is a vision that I believe the people of Ghana are going to buy into. The MPP is a party of ideas.
Mahama, Minister for Information, 19. According to Mahama, the constitution wants only 19 ministries, but on when you 19. Kufuadu de own use 19. Damn no obo. Forgive me, but that man is going crazy. Minister for Employment and Social Welfare, 20. Minister for Water Resources, 21. Minister for Youth and Sports, 22. Minister for Chieftaincy and Culture, 23. Plus 10 regional ministers. Ministers, so 23, no. Obia, so then, Obia, when the deputy, into 46. 46 plus 10 ministers plus 10 deputies into 20. 46 plus 20, 86. 40, no, maybe plus 26. Me boy, sorry, me pacho no. 66. Let me do it again. Me pacho fache me. 46 plus 20. That is 66. Plus the ministers of state that I should. Sorry, wait there. Mon fan cheme no form. Me can boom no nanka me mas feeling me. No form. Meba. The rest of them meba. It is for mon cheme meba. Pay information, big. Pay information. 2013, dear, no, don't tell. Oh my God, don't tell me I didn't move. But I'm trying. Give me space. I'll grab it. 2013, dear. Yeah, doors. Okay. We are there. I'm far away. No more son corner. A tear for me, bow. Me pacho. Pardon me. Okay, good. Ebeba. Ebeba. Say antibe ya de Mahama de neighbor meba. Inti de am boy ye eya Mahama time atamiri su ya oba ye no. We atamiri su ya Mahama ba ye no. Ne dwuma obedi ye no. Na me pen starting no. Baby, we are Rollins, neighbor. Information a doors on Santino. We are Mahama, but me person who from starting. Who be from starting. Elvis a free anchor no money now, neighbor. Therefore, share the page and help your brother. We go end soon. Mm-hmm. 2012. Hey, yo. Now, Yanko Mahama Ebedi president now. Yanko Pacho USCCR 2013 to 2017. According to Mahama, he wants a lean government. Inti Yanko bloke Sebe. Baby a omaini didi. Agricultural ministry no yan bloke or yen jan vacant. Said the beya or mine agriculture bet you charge from assay. Now wait to me the begina swaya campaign say mon share the ayaya agriculture. Enti anya wo brena wo bebreno. But said the beya Mahama benya campaign message inti. Or catch the ministry for no any the ministers any MPs for our parliament say don't go and approve these people. Forgetting say in the letter no or talking about democracy. But Mahama is willing to tie the democracy of his MPs under his arm.